My first hotel was Motel 6 back in 2002. It's been over 20 years and I'm still doing that. My name is Shardul Sam Sayania. I'm the owner of Motel 6 Studio 6 dual brand at Gonzales, Louisiana. The biggest difficult things in the beginning was the language. I know the model of the business, I know how to run the business. My first hotel was Motel 6 back in 2002. Whoever want to start their career or first hotel, I strongly recommend start with the G6 because it's very easy to run, very profitable. The way I work is every property when I build it. So I was working as hard as like this is my first property. Always focused, always be on a side almost every day. So even I build 6, 7, 8 hotel, I treat all my hotels same way that I was working like this is my first project. So I put my not 100%, 110% to that property.